There was one red bird and one green tree. He was so alone he didn't want to be, so he flew far away over at the seed and brought back an orange friend to live in the tree. Now there are two little birds in one green tree. They were so alone and didn't want to be, so they flew far away over at the sea and brought back a yellow friend to live in the tree. Yay! Now there are three little birds in one green tree. They were so alone and didn't want to be. So they flew far away and over at the sea and brought back a green friend to live in the tree. Now there are four little birds in one green tree. They were so alone and didn't want to be, so they flew far away over at the sea and brought back a blue friend.
Show me the bird.
To live in the tree. There are five little birds in one green tree. They were so alone and didn't to be, so they flew far away over at the sea and brought back a purple friend to live in the tree. Now there are six little birds in one green tree. They were so happily they made a family. They didn't have to go far away over at the seed. They made a family. They didn't have to go over at the seed and ring like they live at a family. No, I forgot the rest of the part. So, mommy.
It was so